Trenton. I'm a student physical therapist here, and today we're just going to get started off by listening to some of your lung sounds. Okay. To do that, I'm going to have to ask you to take your shirt off. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Perfect. So as I do this, I am listening to both lobes, comparing if they sound similar, like the wind in the trees. So we're going to get started here. Okay, so we're going to start on the left side here. I'll just have you breathe in and out through your mouth. Perfect. Listening to that wind in the trees. Good. Thank you, going. We have to make sure we get all lobes of the lungs. Okay, and then now we're going to come to the posterior side. We're going to do the same thing here. So we're going to come right over here. And on the back, we're going around the scapula. So stay on the medial side of the scap. Good. There's no crackling or anything, so he's got some healthy lungs. You're doing great. And then we can come a little bit wider on this bottom lobe here. Good. Sweet. Okay. Next, I'm just gonna, if you want to put your shirt back on.
Yeah.
Okay. So this next thing we're gonna do is I'm just gonna teach you some diaphragmatic breathing. Okay, so as we're breathing, it's really important that we're taking nice deep full breaths, so that's going to help with your oxygen levels and any lightheaded or dizziness you may have. So to start off, I'm just going to have you put one hand up here on your chest, I'm going to have you put one on your stomach. So as you're doing this, you're going to breathe in through your nose for 2, and then you're going to breathe out of your mouth for 2. So I'll just have you go in. You want to fill up your stomach so only your bottom hand is moving. You don't want your chest to elevate at all. Yep. So, and then breathe out through the mouth. Good. And then breathe in through your nose. Good. Only moving that bottom hand. So you're kind of, imagine filling your stomach with air. And then you'll breathe out too. Good. And then out. Very nice. We'll go one more time. Breathe in, only moving that bottom hand. Good. And then back out. So the next thing we're going to do is it's going to help to get some of the phlegm out of your lungs. So I just want to first go over, I'll take a tissue real quick. We're going to go over the proper way to clear the air out of your lungs, and that's through a huff cough. Have you ever heard of that?
No.
No? Okay. So normally people cough like, it's like super coarse. We don't want that. We want a nice huff cough. So it's like you're like fogging up your nerves. So we go, can you try that? Good. But so if you ever feel like anything's coming up, I want you to expel it because we don't want to re-swallow that down into your lungs or anything. So you'll take the tissue that I've given you and you'll go, but in a cough. Yeah, perfect. So this next thing we're going to do with you with that tissue is I'm going to have you lay on your left side facing that direction, and we're going to put these pillows under your legs. And we're just going to do a little bit of airway clearance techniques. How does that sound? That might be a little bit high. We'll have to adjust as we go. So you have all of you face that way, on your side. Good. And then I'll grab you a pillow for your head. There you go.
Thank you.
Good. Okay, and I just want you to take this arm above your head.
This?
Yep. And then you can lean back on this pillow against it. Yep, perfect. So we're working on your right middle lobe here. And so we're going to use cupped like hands here to sound like a horse galloping. We're going to do this for about 3 to 5 minutes. So if at any point you need to cough, feel free to. I'll stop the cussing. How are you doing?
Good.
You're doing great. Perfect. And that is all for today. So now I'll have you sit up and try to do a huff cough and expel anything we knocked loose. You did great. Good job.
Thank you.